Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something fairly simple. I'm going to be tuning up a sew-in weave that's been up for 2 months. And I'm going to be flat ironing the hair also. Not going to do too much talking because basically everything I'm doing you'll see and it's kind of self-explanatory. But yeah, first I gave the hair a co-wash along with her hair, and I gave it a deep conditioner and a leave-in conditioner also. As you can see, I'm blow drying it now, and after I blow dry it, I'm going to flat iron it. And if you haven't already, you guys, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, like, share, and comment below. I can also be followed on Instagram at Lola_Chantel65, on Facebook at Hair by Lola, and of course on my YouTube channel, Lola Chantel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. My client is trying to transition from getting her hair relaxed and colored to going without the relaxer and letting her natural gray grow in. So the next time I put extensions in her hair, or weave I should say, I will alternate the tracks with black, and then the other tracks will be salt and pepper, because she's anxiously awaiting to be able to wear her own hair in the salt and pepper color. But first we're going to get it growing back. The only part of her hair that really started coming off due to medication was the front part, because that's the part that's mostly exposed to the elements of sunlight and all that stuff. But yeah, we're going to give her about 4 or 5 sew-ins, and then we'll take it down. Her hair grows really quick. Actually, her hair is the length of maybe about a ½ inch shorter than this weave. But like I said, the front came out due to medications, and it didn't all come out. It just broke off. So we're giving it a break, and she's gonna be natural. She's going without relaxers or color. If you should happen to see any tracks that need tightening as you're flat ironing each track, don't hesitate to tighten it up before you move along to the next track that you're going to be flat ironing. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. And also, when you're subscribing, hit that bell right next to the subscribe button so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Okay guys, I'm almost done. Once again, thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. And don't forget to subscribe. Like, share, comment below. Hit me up on Facebook at Hair by Lola, Instagram, Lola_Chantel65, and of course, YouTube, Lola Chantel. You guys have a blessed evening.